Okay, let's see. We got it? Okay. So I'm here with my friend and one of my favorite ventriloquists,
That's
Paul
right.
Zerdin.
That's right.
That's right. Paul, you did a
Hello.
great show.
Thank you very much.
We are here in Las Vegas.
We are here.
And we're actually, oh, this is my family. Can I get my family on? Can you go over with my family there, Paul? Good. Alexander. They're going to love this. All my ventriloquist friends. Go ahead and, Paul, can I, stand over here, Paul. Stand over here. This is, so there's Kyle and AJ.
Yes.
Right? And Rita, my wife Rita, with Paul Zerdin.
Yes, we're all here.
And Alex, go on over there.
I'm going over there.
Okay.
If you wanted to. Sorry. No, it's fine.
Truly one of my favorite ventriloquists.
That's right. That's
Today,
right.
you are truly one of my favorite ventriloquists, Paul. Great
James
show.
Bond.
Great Vegas show. Are you having fun?
Very much.
That's good. Come on over, Paul.
James Bond.
Yeah, now go over.
See, now, how often do you get to direct a professional ventriloquist?
Just push him around backstage.
Paul, great show.
It's great to meet you.
Great show.
Great to meet you.
Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. There he is, right there. Do you have anything you want to say to my people?
Yes. People, come see my show. Come buy tickets at the Planet Hollywood showroom for the Paul Zerdin Mouthing Off show. Come see the show.
Anyone who doesn't know who I am, they're going to know who I am. Just say, could you do me a favor, brother?
Yeah.
Could you say Dirk Golden is one of my favorite ventriloquists?
I will say that.
Oh, here we go. That was
How do you say your surname?
Dirk
Goldman.
Golden.
Golden.
No, Golden.
I've got to get that right.
G-O-L-D-E-N. I gave you my card, man. What's the deal?
I don't know.
He hasn't gotten it yet.
I haven't actually. I haven't got it. Dirk
Just be honest.
Golden
Thank you.
is the best ventricularly. Second best ventricularly backstage here tonight.
Thank you. And my father always used to tell me, he'd say, son, don't scratch your head. You'll get a splinter in your finger.
Really?
That's good.
I like that.
You can borrow that.
Thank you.
At the ventriloquist convention,
Yes.
Paul Zerdin,
Yes.
Terry Fader said, you cannot capitalize on an idea.
Oh, yes.
Ideas are open.
Yes.
I'm just quoting him.
Yes.
You can borrow,
Yes.
but make it your own.
Yes.
And I just wanted to let my people know out there that follow me on Facebook, you made it your own, brother.
Oh, thanks very much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
I make myself my own too.
Yeah, great. Good for you.
I love this guy. He's my favorite ventriloquist. One of them.
And cut.